In this video, we're going to explain and show how you deal with a patient that's presenting in choking.
If you suspect a patient is choking with an airway obstruction, ask, "Are you choking?" If the patient nods yes, then you should start immediate treatment. Back slaps. Lean the patient slightly forward and deliver 5 back blows between the shoulder blades. Make sure you check after each slap to see if the obstruction is cleared. If after 5 back slaps the obstruction is still there, complete this next manoeuvre. 5 abdominal thrusts. Stand behind the patient. Place your arms around their waist and bend the patient forward. Clench one fist and place it above the belly button. Put the other hand on top of your fist and pull sharply inwards and upwards. Complete this manoeuvre 5 times, assuring once again after each thrust and check if the obstruction is cleared.